Hello, this is Mark and Tom Wilcox from Ansonia Wines, and we are back in France for a tasting trip. We're starting, as we usually do, in the southern Rhone Valley, and today we are in Violès.
It's nice to be back, doing the part of the job that we really enjoy, tasting new wines with old friends. Today, all Châteauneuf-du-Pape, and it was a nice tasting, particularly because we could look at three very good vintages side by side, the 15s, the 16s, and the 17s.
We landed yesterday morning in Paris and took the TGV south to Avignon, where it's lovely. It's dry and sunny and about 70 degrees. Had a quick lunch in town and then drove up to the southern Rhone Valley, where we're staying in a little town called Violès. And we had a lovely dinner in Séguret. This morning we started in Châteauneuf-du-Pape, first with Christophe Mestre and second with Jacqueline André, who has the famous 140-year-old vines that are in very sandy soil. Both tastings were really exceptional, and we got to taste a number of different vintages side by side. Châteauneuf has had some really exceptional years in the last couple of years. We had a quick lunch in Châteauneuf and then headed down the road a little bit to our third tasting of a wonderful producer that has very small quantities, and we feel lucky to get any at all sometimes. The 2017s at all three tastings were really interesting because it was a very bad year for Grenache, so there's much more Syrah than usual, and they almost have a northern Rhone feel to them. So we're headed out to dinner soon, and then tomorrow we have another full day of tasting, this time on the eastern side of the southern Rhone Valley.
That'll be the towns of Gigondas, Sablé, and Séguret. And then later in the day, we're going to head up the Rhone.
And that's it for our first tasting update, and we'll see you back here tomorrow.